Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, dark blue color, dark green color, pink color, orange color, brown color, sky blue color, red color, violet color, purple color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. Color A for apple. Sky blue color. B for blueberry. Orange color. C for candy. Yellow color. D for dolphin. Violet color. E for eggplant. Pink color. F for flowers. Dark blue color. G for glass. Brown color. H for house. Dark green color. I for insect. Red color. J for jar. Purple color. K for kiwi. Pink color. L for lion. Sky blue color. M for mango. Orange color. N for nest. Dark blue color. O for oxygen. Yellow color. P for parrot. Sky blue color. Q for question. Brown color. R for rainbow. Violet color. S for sky. Purple color. T for train. Red color. U for universe. Orange color. V for vanilla. Sky blue color. W for watch. Dark green color. X for X-ray. Violet color. Y for yum. Red color. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.